Hey guys, so today what we're doing is installing Windows Memphis on another episode of VM Review. Now, yeah, the last beta we did was Windows Neptune, and then we installed Windows 7, so now we are installing Windows Memphis. Build 1351 to be exact. So let's just get right into it. So we're going to create a new virtual machine. I have no idea why it's detecting Windows Me. This is the Memphis thing. It's not Windows it's not Windows Me. It's Windows Memphis. And we're going to. I already have Windows Me, and we're gonna call it Windows Memphis. Yeah, 8 gigs, sure. And we're gonna customize hardware. Add, and we're gonna add a floppy drive. We're gonna use a floppy image file. Here it is. And we're gonna power it on. We're gonna see what happens. Okay, starting MS DOS. Now, if you don't enter a boot disk, it does the little operating system not down thing. So we're not gonna need the mouse for now because this is an entirely text based thing. So so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna type in. Oh wait, we need to set the date, right? I don't remember what the date was, so I'm just gonna check. Okay, now I remember. December 13th, 1996. That's what you set it to. Okay, so I'm gonna reset it. Uh, Hopefully go into the thing. I love the little transition. It's slow, but I like it. It looks really neat. It looks like it's like a little transition. Okay, so what I do is I'll set it. Oh, wait, primary slave. What? Okay, don't worry about it. Anyways, we set it to December. Sorry about the slowness, by the way. Um, what am I thinking? It's 13, right? 13. 13. And then you said it's in 1996. Yep. So then we just exit saving changes. Save configuration changes. Mouse initialized. Okay, so here we are. Do we type date or something? Date? Oh, yep. Enter due date. 12/13/1996. Wait, do we do 96 or 1996? We'll do that. Does it display? Yep, it displays correctly. Anyways, let's clear the screen. We are going to do fdisk. We're going to do create a DOS partition, primary one. Yes. System will now restart. Press any key when ready. Okay. I think you just press enter, or any key, and it just restarts. Yep, it does that. So cool. Now I think we just do format C. Yes. Boom. Cool. Next. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Um, is it the R drive? Yep, it is. dir/w win9x. So that's a folder, I believe. cd win9x, and then we just type in dir/w 71 files. Okay. So then, okay, so we look for setup. Should be, yep, I see it. Okay, setup. We're gonna do that. Please wait while setup initializes. Copy file needed for Windows setup. It's just gonna do that. We might be here a while. Okay, so here we are. Welcome to Memphis setup. Uh, so it's called Memphis. Okay, let's focus on the details here. So you can basically, it says here, like the background is different. It says Memphis setup instead of Windows 98 setup, and there's no icons next to the stuff. Okay, continue. License agreement. I do accept the agreement. See Windows. Typical. Name. TOWF. Still the most common components. Yeah, sure. Uh, I think we just press next. I think we just hit cancel. Next. Trying to copy files. So what is wrong with that animation though? Okay, so you can see the stuff is a little different. Like this stuff, like the stuff here. Oh god, that looks awful. Right there. The highlighted text, yeah. High performance is basically just dissing Windows 95. The Pentium processor. Support for new hardware, huh? Have more fun. It's more accessible. Communicate with anyone. Internet made easy. Online services. Improved networking. Thank you. They just put a little winky face. Please try out all the new features in Memphis. Getting started. Enjoy Memphis. I mean, if it works. Setup is now restart your computer. Are you sure this is a good idea? Disconnect. I mean, come on, it's Microsoft. They're the professionals, right? So it has to be true. Are you gonna restart my computer? Are you gonna restart my computer? Are you gonna restart my computer? Oh, you did restart my computer. Getting ready to run Memphis for the first time. You can literally see. Oh, it says. Oh, what is that? What? What is that? You can literally see Memphis pasted. Uh, okay. Windows protection there. You need to restart computer. Oh, so funny. Okay, got an idea. Of course, it's the direct descendant of Windows 95. So, here's what here's what we can do. Now on this now in this lovely folder, I have fixed 95 CPU, which might help with it. So, who knows? Maybe we might get this working. Starting Windows 95. Oh, what? 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 What is going on here? it's, it's booting into Windows 95. This is Windows Memphis, god damn it. Normal? I don't know. Is it like gonna boot? Oh, what? I clearly put in fixed 95 CPU. Why aren't you booting off of that? Okay, restart guest. Yes. Boot menu. Oh, there it is. Oh, what? What? So, no, no, get off, get off, get off, get off, get off. No, no. Okay, you know what? We're gonna choose safe mode. Yeah, we're gonna see what happens when we choose safe mode. Okay, can you bring me to that screen where it says safe mode? Nope, it can't. Apparently, it can't do that. Okay, we're gonna try this. Hold control. I got this under control. No, I don't have this under control. Uh, I don't got this under control. Uh, just gotta wait a while, and then it'll work. Oh yeah, while we're waiting for this boot menu to come up, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Oh, there it is. Uh, CD-ROM drive. This might help. Wait, no, oh, there it is. Any key? No. Press any key. Continue. Success. Let's go. Uh, Restart then remove. That's a little eh, but I'll try it anyways. Okay. Also restarting. Remove. 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 Phew. Okay. We're gonna do safe mode too. Please, please. The thing is not coming up. So I don't know why it says Windows 95. Is this like a normal thing? Like, were they just too lazy to implement a new boot screen, so they just slapped the new Windows? So they just slapped the Windows 95 one on instead? Because this is the direct descendant of Windows 95, right? It also says, oh, it loads 75% faster than the Windows 95. Yeah, I don't think so. It's just as slow, I think. Okay. This is a disaster. Okay, yeah, guys. For some reason, it's just stuck on this boot screen. Like, you can't escape. You can't escape the Windows 95. It's just here. The reason I think it failed, the reason I think it's just stuck here, is because I ran fixed 95 CPU on an unsupported operating system. It's not for Windows 95, but I used that on Memphis, the earliest build of Memphis too. So yeah. Anyways, this has been a failure. I'm sorry, folks, but that's all I can offer. Who knows? Maybe one day I can get to that sleep glory. But next time I will try Windows Millennium. Anyway, which is the beta of Windows ME. So yeah. Thank you all guys for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Yeah.